Hi, I'm Razelle with FarmerBrown Insurance. If you're buying your first home, congratulations. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about home insurance, what it covers, how much it costs, and tips for first-time buyers. So let's start off with what is homeowners insurance. It's protection for your home and your belongings in the case of risks like fire, theft, storms, or accidents. It also includes liability coverage, which protects you if someone gets injured on your property. But what does it cover? Well, dwelling coverage repairs or rebuilds your home if it's damaged by a covered event. Personal property. It protects furniture, electronics, and valuables. Liability protection covers medical and legal costs if a guest is injured. Additional living expenses pays for hotel stays or rentals if your home becomes unlivable during repairs. So how much does it cost? Well, on average, homeowners pay around $1,200 per year, but rates depend on your location, your home value, age of your house, and coverage limits. Choosing higher deductibles can lower premiums, but it also means you pay more out of pocket during a claim. Tips for first-time buyers. Shop around for the best rates and coverages. Don't underinsure. Make sure your dwelling coverage matches the cost to rebuild your home. Ask about discounts for safety features like alarms, smoke detectors, or bundling auto and home policies. At FarmerBrown Insurance, we help first-time homeowners find affordable policies tailored to their needs. We compare multiple carriers to give you the best coverage at the right price and fast. So to wrap it up, homeowners insurance gives you peace of mind knowing your biggest investment is protected. Visit FarmerBrown.com or call us today for a free quote. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'll see you on the next video.